One good thing with the Vallejo plastic putty technique, I know I've shown you this before, but you know, we have just here, as you can hopefully see, a bit of a gap going on there. Now the cool thing about this technique as well, just to let you know, is I know we've primed this and everything, but we don't have to worry about going off and you know, say sort of respraying it afterwards, or filling, sanding, scribing, all those kind of things, because it's such a cool technique that we can just apply and then wipe. Right, the cool thing is we're not affecting the primer. Hopefully, as you can see there, we've wiped it away. We're not affecting the primer, so we don't have to worry about any sort of potential respraying or anything like that. So really good technique even at this stage.